I have a new unit from HerGivenHair. This is the HerGivenHair Shake and Go full wig, and 16 inches is Coily 3C48, and it is a natural color, 130% density. Inside there's 2 clips right around the part, 1 clip in the back, and adjustable strap. But you can also add this band for additional security, or sew on more clips if you need. I had to show you a close-up of the texture and the parting at this lace because this is phenomenal. The craftsmanship on HerGiven units always seems to impress me. It's even brown, adjusted for our skin tones. We are going to try it on just so that I can show you what the texture of it actually looks like and the fullness fresh out of the package. So I already have my hair braided and wig kept ready. Make sure that it sits comfortably behind the ears. And this is what it looks like just popping it on. I am going to shape it a bit at the top to give it more of a rounder afro look. So we will be doing some slight cutting. First cut is going to be right around the front of the face. So I'm going to do this side first. And there's already some bangs cut here, so I really just want to layer this out. This is all I cut off, so not much. We're going to take a little bit of this and do the same thing. And it will allow it to sit more like this versus hang flat like this. Just remember that units are completely customizable, especially when they are human hair. You can do so much with them to make them exactly what you want them to be. The initial cut is done. We are going to go ahead and co-wash the unit. Now I just put a shower cap on my head and then put the wig on top of it so that I can wet style it on my head. I'm about to do a twist style. The only product that I'm going to use is a mousse. Now that the twist out is done, we're gonna let this dry and I'll be back tomorrow to actually style it. So the unit is dry. We're gonna go ahead and put this back on, starting with the back of the unit first. And I'm going to clip this in and then tighten it as I need to using this drawstring. So let's take out this twist out. This twist style came out perfectly. We have to pick it though. I need quite a bit of volume. I'm gonna pick this just like I would pick my natural hair in sections. So I'm starting with the back. That already added so much volume. Same thing for the front. Picked, unpicked. I am not one that likes to overcomplicate things, so I love units that are quick and easy. Now for the bang, I'm gonna give this a little bit more volume. You can see that natural part right here. So whether my head is up, whether my head is down, It looks like hair coming out of my scalp. I'm here for this shake and go HerGivenHair wig. Here is the unit with the middle part, especially after some wear. As you can tell, it just looks so good. It looks very natural. It's light, it's fluffy, it's defined, and it is secure. So truly like your shake and go unit. You can do so much with this, but I'm gonna remove it. Welcome back. Now that I've worn the hair like this for about a week, give or take, the curls have held up phenomenally. This is still that same twisting curl. I actually want to transition the hair into another style, which is going to be a brush out style. Super easy to do because the entire process really just includes me teasing the hair, making it bigger, less defined. I'm going to start off with a wide tooth comb and really just add volume. And now with an actual brush, we're really going to go in and make the hair less defined. I'm also brushing it in the way that I want it to be shaped. A couple more minutes and you've completely revamped your unit with a new style that still gives effortless, but this is a vibe. Let me show you a quick 360. It's absolutely stunning. Thank you so much, HerGivenHair, for sponsoring this video. All of the details to this unit will be linked below for your convenience. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. And as always, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.